Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to invest or buy in the S&P 500. So we created ourselves an account on markets.com and then we go here to primary at the search list and then we search for S&P 500. And then you see that we only can click right here on the ETF trust. But if you now go right here back and search for S&P, you find here a lot of S&P 500s that you can trade in. So for now, I think this one is maybe fine for now. And then you can fill in right here buy and then select right here how many shares you want to buy. So let's do one for now. And then you can click on place new order. So now we just bought one S&P 500 and this is exactly how you can buy or invest in the S&P 500 on markets.com. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.